Well, good morning and welcome back to another episode here in sunny Mongolia. Well, we've only got about 2.5 days to go now, and I've got to say last night was the roughest night's sleep I've had so far, even though it's a very nice spot. I'll tell you for why, because I don't know, in the last episode I mentioned that just camping next to me there's a couple of lads and their wives and they've got a few kids, and but last night about 12:30 the two guys thought it'd be a great idea to come and wake me up and see if I fancy going out and doing some drinking with them, some whiskey in fact. And they kept pointing to, there's a shop up there that sells whiskey, and after about 5 minutes of this conversation I kind of had to really persuade them that I just want to go back to bed, and that's that. And they kind of went okay, and off they went back to their tent and so forth. Of course, the only problem with this is that it's all very well, I know what you're thinking, it's nice, the neighbours come round to see if I fancy a drink, but when they did knock on my tent at 12:30 and I was absolutely fast asleep, I had no idea who they were. I didn't even know they were from the tent next door. I just unzipped, I gave them a little shout at first, and I unzipped the tent and there's these two guys there who I didn't know who they were. So yeah, I was a little bit shaken up, I won't lie. And thinking about it now, I got a feeling they might have wanted me to go and buy the whiskey because they were a bit drunk already. There's a possibility the shop might not have served it to them, so I thought we'd get the foreign chap to get it instead. So anyway, that kind of disturbed me a little bit. After that, about an hour later, something was pushing up against my tent in the corner. I thought, what's that? And I kind of pushed back. Turns out there's a dog here, a sort of wild dog, and he was trying to get hold of my morning oats, which were in the corner, and he actually knocked them over. So he then decided to bark at my tent for about 30 seconds. I mean, quite a vicious bark as well. And bearing in mind I'm a massive dog lover, it's like, what do I do? I just had to sit that out. I eventually got to sleep, only to be woken then at 5:30 by a whole herd of cows coming through. And when I say coming through, not just passing by, but I'm going to turn around. Can you see my tent, which is there? And they came down this track here, all of them, and some of them took great interest in my tent. And so that kept me awake. And meanwhile, we've got this lovely little cow here. Just going to have a quick look. Oh, he's on the... So, I do like cows. Like I say, I do like cows. What's the plan then? What's the plan? Well, as I've explained in the last couple of videos, I'm staying within a very small area and I've kind of almost exhausted it. If I wanted to go further afield, it really is a long way to get to some really decent stuff, and I can't afford to do that because I've got to get the bike back. And it sort of gets to that point where I don't want to over push my luck, and it is lovely around here. So I've got a couple more trails over there I'm going to try out, and hopefully be a couple of camping spots. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I might end up having to condense the next couple of days down into one video, because it might not be enough unless I fall over again, and that'll be a good laugh, won't it? All right then, let's finish my breakfast. Alright, I'm all packed up, ready to go. Just to let you know, that takes usually about 45 minutes to an hour to pack everything away. I do take time. I could probably do it in half an hour, but I take the time and get everything. I tend to empty the two. Should I start again? No, I think you know what I'm going on about. I do empty out the black ones on the side, the Lomo ones, usually restack them and just think it all through. And I finally got my my straps down to a T now. I've figured all out, and the water sits on the back, so I can always pour out if I need a drink. These are going to go in the bin, so they're not a permanent fixture. They're going in the bin in a minute. So yeah, right, let's go and find this trail then. Okay. Padlock. Come out, I'll put it away. pretty, isn't it? Very pretty. Bit bumpy. That looks ridiculously steep. I've no idea whether we would be able to get up there. Dodgy. Oh no, I can. Let's go this way, it's better. Ooh, look at this. Well, I won't lie to you, that's looking a bit shit. I'm not going to manage that, I don't think. Let's check that side. That side looks better. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can turn around. Probably better off on that side. Okay, what do we think? Can't get up there. I think we've overcooked it. Right. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. We'll go over there and have a look, and I'll walk up. rocks up there. Nice little spot. Let's wait for a sec. Ah, check it out. Alright. Okay, so I think it's a bit too steep up there. Okay, so I parked the bike up. We're on the see the top of a hill here. It's really nice, great spot. But that trail, well, you saw for yourself, very bumpy, very steep. I'm gonna have a quick look, see what it's like at the top there. I mean, you know, because going up's one thing, and then just coming down, it's going to be possibly a no-go. So this little adventure this morning, well, it's lunchtime now, might be a bit short-lived. Very nice though. Well, I thought, oh, I'll come up through the tree line, but this is no good either. Too many things in the way. Big gully. That's really mogully. That's what happens up here. I know there's another route up there, but that's even steeper to get up. But it probably hasn't got the moguls. So, from what I can make out, cars don't come up here. Should we get to that top bit? Have a look. Alright, got to the top. Oh, I don't know, it's beautiful. Look at that. The alternative is that one there. Wow, look at that view. See, this bit's lovely. This bit's all lovely. There's the bike right over there. I think it might be a case. Have some lunch. Oh, I've still got that other mushroom risotto to have. And head back over to the other valley where I know there's some camping spots. It's annoying, this is a 20-kilometre trail. And looks like this is the worst route. Oh, that's probably, well, who knows what happens further down. But it's basically, it's above my pay grade, that's what I'm going to say, to come up here, especially when I've only got a couple of days to go. I mean, it's great fun coming up that Mowgli bit, but yeah, it got to a point. I thought, oh, I'm going to come off. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's quite Mowgli. I mean, I probably could. Oh, look how Mowgli that is. You see that? I think we're past. Perfect spot for lunch. Perfect spot for lunch, wouldn't you say? Yes, yes. How am I going to get down? Could go the direct route. Should we go the direct route? Straight down. All right, let's do that. All right, let's get back to the bike. Okay. Water. We also have a melted peanut snack bar. And we've got a bit of shade here. Look at that. There's the bike. Getting hot in the sun. 1:20 what to do? That's annoying because I was really looking forward to do that trail. Well, I was more skilled and had a more powerful bike. Yeah, it'd be no problem, but it's a big problem. Yeah, okay, all right then. We'll figure something else out. Well, I think I made a decision, and one of those decisions was not to have the mushroom risotto. Oh, I can't face that twice in 24 hours. No, we'll save that till tomorrow. So I'm going to stay where I am, I think, for the minute anyway. Up on the hill there, you can see it. I might end up putting the tent up there because it is nice here. And failing that, I'd end up going back down to where I've already been, and you know, I've done that. I don't think I'm going to get disturbed here, not like last night anyway. And all these trails here, I think they're just for the quad bikes, and there's a little thing around there where you can hire them out, but it's midweek and I think it's going to be very quiet. Interestingly though, I did get my Garmin InReach Mini 2 out earlier, which gives me a really updated weather forecast hour by hour every day, and it's supposed to be glorious weather. It's all going to be fine. But you just take a look over there, I can hear some noises. You see that there? That is a thunderstorm brewing. I can hear it every now and again, so I'm hoping it's not coming this way because the wind is blowing that way, but that's obviously only down here, not up there. So all being well, we'll be fine, and yeah, hopefully we'll also get the drone out when the sun goes down a bit. It'll be a bit nicer. Right, well, it's the end of the day now. Well, 6:15. I know you really want to know what I'm having for dinner. It's chili non carne. It's the bumper pack as well. Huge. So we'll see how that fares. I think it's going to be good. I haven't tasted it, but I've got some starving, so it's going to be great. So I'm on this little hillock up here. I have had a couple of visitors while I've been here, people coming up and taking some pictures and hanging out. I'm hoping it would be nice and quiet now. Oh, there's the bike. There she is. Hope you enjoyed the drone work. It's quite nice here. The storm stayed off, as you well know. I'm rattling, aren't I? I'm rattling. So tomorrow, well, it technically is my last day tomorrow. Well, no, it isn't. Is it? Is it? What am I doing tomorrow? Oh, I've got to think about that. No, I'm going back down to the river where I've camped once before. I can get the water there. And I'm going to stay there the night, and the following morning I'm going around to the Chinggis Khan statue, the huge statue. So we'll have a look at that, and from there we'll go straight back to the place where I picked the bike up. So tomorrow and the day after I'll probably amalgamate into one episode, because not a lot's going to be going on really, apart from me showing you what I'm having for breakfast and having for dinner and showing you a statue. That's about it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's give it a go. But look at that. Not quite. Oh.